Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by warming the engine for 5 to 10 minutes so oil flows. This makes draining faster and more complete. While it runs, get 3. 5W30 oil, the OEM filter, a 14mm wrench, drain pan and funnel. Keep rags handy. Once done, park on a level surface and secure the bike with the center stand or jack stands. Make sure the engine is off and cool enough to touch when you start removing covers, then move to the drain plug immediately. You now loosen the drain plug with the 14mm wrench and tip the oil into the pan, letting it drain 3 to 5 minutes until the flow slows. While draining, unthread the oil filter. Expect more oil. Keep the pan ready. Clean the filter mounting surface and remove the old O-ring. Before installing the new filter, coat its O-ring with fresh oil for a good seal, then screw it on hand tight to the manufacturer's spec. Do not over-tighten, since that can strip threads or crush the gasket. With the filter in place, reinstall the drain plug and torque it to the Suzuki spec to avoid leaks or thread damage. Pour in the correct amount of oil slowly using a funnel, then wait a minute and start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil. Watch for leaks around the filter and plug. Once stopped, recheck the level and top if needed. If you detect leaks or low pressure, tighten the suspect seal, recheck torque, or replace the filter. If problems persist, stop.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.